In the name of God, the most merciful and the most compassionate. Hi everyone, how you doing? The Son and I bid you a warm welcome filled with hopes and dreams. Through belief, you can make your life anything you wish it to be. This video is a comprehensive guide that will keep you with the mindset, tools, and techniques to overcome obstacles, unleash your creativity, and take purposeful action toward your goals. Through belief, you can make your life anything you wish it to be. I believe that everything happens for a reason. People change so that you can learn to let them go. Things go wrong so that you can learn to appreciate them when they are right. And you believe lies so that you can learn to trust no one but yourself. What is the law of belief? Whatever you truly believe with feelings becomes your reality. How to practice the law of belief systems? Pay attention to what you think about and control it. Change it into an opportunity, a positive thought, or something you desire. Your feelings and emotions will give life to your beliefs. Therefore, cultivate your empowering beliefs by sprinkling them with intense feelings, and you will gradually transform these beliefs into unshakable convictions that will move you toward the attainment of your goals and objectives. The law of belief states that what we believe with feeling, commitment, and the intention will become our living reality, whether we like it or not. What are the 12 universal laws of belief and how to practice them? All of the laws are about mastering your life with love and joy. To master your life with love and joy, confront the illusion and close the doors that spoil your mood. Respect yourself and cut toxic people out of your life. The 12 universal laws of belief and how to practice them. Law number one, law of divine oneness. The oneness of God refers to the singleness of God, that there is only one God and that there was no God before him or after him. The law of divine oneness says we are all one with the universe. It implies that every action, thought, or energy emitted into the universe reverberates through this cosmic tapestry affecting the whole. How to apply it? Be compassionate with others. Always look for the higher vibration of positive thoughts and feelings. Law number two, law of vibration. In essence, it suggested that nothing rests, everything moves. If you align your vibration with the joy, you will attract joy. How to apply it? Practice meditation and yoga. Law number three, law of correspondence. Our reality is a mirror of what is happening inside us. The law of correspondence states that what happens around us is a direct reflection of what is happening within us. Our internal environments determine our external environments. How to apply it? The law of correspondence simply says that you are telling the universe how to communicate with you. If our life is chaotic or unfearful, it's because there is chaos and fear within. If our life seems calm and grounded, it's because we feel peace within. Law number four, law of attraction. It states that you will attract into your life whatever you focus on. Whatever you give your energy and attention to is what will come back to you. Wanna love, give love. Wanna money, give money. How to apply it? Positive thoughts bring positive results. Law number five, law of inspired action. The law of inspired action is all about taking those real actionable steps to invite what we want into our lives. Often the inspiration comes from within. How to apply it? Be open to unexpected opportunities. Law number six, law of perpetual transmutation of energy. The law states that energy is constant and always transferring, always changing the conditions around us. How to apply it? Maintain positive thoughts and actions. Practice gratitude. Direct your happiness toward visualization exercises. Convert anger into energy. Law number seven, law of cause and effect. It is stated that for every effect there is a definite cause. Likewise, for every cause there is a definite effect. Everything happens for a reason. For every effect there is a specific cause. How to apply it? If the effect isn't what you want, then change it. What you send out comes back. Law number eight, law of compensation. The law of compensation states that what you do affects what you get. You will always compensate it for your efforts and for your contribution, whatever it is. How to apply it? You get what you give. Your reality is what you think. Law number nine, law of relativity. The law suggested that we are inclined to compare things in our world, but in reality, everything is neutral. How to apply it? Appreciate what you have without needing to compare it to something else. Law number 10, law of polarity. This law says that everything in life has an opposite, good and evil, love and hate, warmth and cold, day and night, joy and sorrow, success and failure. It means that forces come in pairs, negative and positive, action and reaction, masculine and feminine. How to apply it? If you want to move our lives in a different direction and break all the patterns of behavior, then this law of polarity can be a helpful tool. Law number 11, law of rhythm. According to the law of rhythm, no hardships lasts forever. When you are experiencing difficulties in your personal or professional life, know that it will pass. How to apply it? When things are going well, appreciate it while it lasts. When things aren't going well, take comfort in knowing that better days will come. Law number 12, law of gender. It states that everything has its masculine and feminine qualities. How to apply it? Understand that no creation, for example, turning an idea into reality, is possible without the balance of masculine and feminine energy. About belief, put in your mind. You must believe in your heart that you are meant to live a life full of passion, purpose, magic, and miracles. You must believe deep down in your heart that you are destined to do great things. Making things happen in your life requires faith and ability to believe that is unshakable regardless of your circumstances. Life is not easy for any of us. We must have perseverance and above all confidence in ourselves. We must believe that we are gifted with something and that thing at whatever cost must be attained. Trust yourself. Create the kind of self you will be happy to live with all your life. Make the most of yourself by fanning the tiny inner sparks of possibility into flames of achievements. Keep your dreams alive. Understand that achieving anything requires faith, belief in yourself, a vision, hard work, determination, and dedication. Remember, all things are possible for those who believe. Through faith, you can make your life anything you wish it to be. Your difficult dreams will come true. You will turn obstacles into opportunities. You will get rid of guilt and the inner turmoil. You will spend every day of your life doing what you love. The power of belief often empowers the highest levels of performance. Belief creates vision, belief creates a strength of will, belief creates resilience, and belief ignites and activates. Beliefs may affect the healing process and improve quality of life. The actions you take come as a result of the perceptions you make in your imagination and visualization. The path to abundance is to abandon the scarcity mentality by being thankful for what you are and what you have. Give thanks, but in a meaningful way. The fundamental laws of thought. With God, all things are possible. Only God can make us from zero to hero, from nothing to something, from nobody to somebody. So keep praying. God is always with us. You don't need to be better than anyone else. You just need to be better than you used to be. Heaven on earth is a choice you must make, not a place you must find. Our minds can make a hell out of heaven or a heaven out of hell. Heaven is a state of mind, not a location. You can't always control what goes on outside, but you can always control what goes on inside. No one can create negativity or stress within you. Only you can do that by how you process your world. Be miserable or motivate yourself. Whatever has to be done, it's always your choice. Be brave to stand for what you believe in, even if you stand alone. Great things happen to those who don't stop believing, trying, learning, and being grateful. As you think, so shall you be. Whatever the question, love is the answer. Love is really all that matters because everyone comes into this world with nothing other than love and leaves with nothing other than love. Money, power, career, the bank account, cars, and houses are just tools, nothing more. Everything goes away except love. So just love, love God, love all those who really love you, love as if there were nothing else. If you believe it will work out, you will see opportunities. If you believe it won't work out, you will see obstacles. Dopamine acts on areas of the brain to give you feelings of pleasure, satisfaction, and motivation. Dopamine also has a role to play in controlling memory, mood, sleep, learning, concentration, movement, and other body function. A magic recipe for brain health. Dopamine. To keep your mind working in an optimum capacity, you should have salmon, fatty fish, broccoli, globally, oranges, apples, turmeric, avocados, almonds, walnuts, cashews, hazelnuts, pistachios, butternuts, super jumbo mature dates, milk, mountain honey, which vitamin? B12 alone is the right choice for you. Our Lord, upon you we have relied, and you have returned, and you is the destination. I have surrendered to the Lord of the world. Break a leg, Sayyid Abul Mad.